welcome back to Road Family. Today's video is going to be showing you my room tour of my new room. So all the stuff are here, like we have like eggs and stuff like Twix. And we have the camera. So then we have like, what is this called? Yeah, that, okay. And we have all of this, my bags and stuff like that. Okay guys, I hope this room tour helped you a lot today. Okay, so guys, I hope you like my room because it is so good. And yeah guys, if you do like this room, comment down below for another part 2, another part, and yeah, another room tour. It's so good. And yes, I thank you very much for all the support this half time, this thing. Look at the room. My bed's like this little room here. And I have, so yeah guys. Okay, let's. Okay guys, so do you think we should do more room tour videos? Comment below if we should do more videos of room tours, and yeah. So yeah guys. Yes. I haven't showed you all of it. Okay. So this is the bin. And then we have the water bit. And then we have all of that. Guys, if you know me, I love Prime. I mean like Prime. Prime drink. Should try it, okay. It's disgusting, guys. So I'm going to empty this on lemonade. Lemonade Prime. This is gonna be a new flavor lemonade. You know it. I'm gonna be cleaning my face. I might better Hey guys, I haven't had my multivitamins. Wait. I have to have it. Okay. It's good. Oh. Good. Okay. The room. Guys, this is my room. I'm gonna show you. Speak of tomorrow's schedule. Should show you guys. This is today's schedule that it came. I remember my view is so nice. Anyway, guys, I hope you liked my video today. Bye guys. See you next video. Bye guys. See you next video. Hola bella kele kele ko be kika shike biloku. No. So if you like my room, comment down below. Big like. And comment down below. Comment down below. Big like. See you next guys. Bye guys. Aloku bilike peace.